Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best Airbnbs with the mini ramp that you can stay at in 2023. And make sure you stick around until the end of the video because the owner of the last Airbnb is someone that you would absolutely never guess. If you're looking to book any of these Airbnbs, link in the description down below. Some of these are super rad. I can't wait for you to see them. Check them out. Number one is the Skate Oasis. The Skate Oasis is a very comfortable 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that provides plenty of space to relax and is conveniently located less than 5 miles from the beautiful Florida beaches. You can host a group of guys for a skate getaway, a skate camp, or bring your kids to come have the weekend of a lifetime in the comfort of this incredible backyard adventure. This professionally built mini ramp has a 10-foot wide, 3.5-foot high section and a 5-foot wide, 4.5-foot section with plenty of width to shred. The mini ramp has a weatherproof gator skins top sheet to give you the best skate surface for your skate experience. The owners have equipped this backyard with stadium bright lighting so you don't need to fight the sun and heat, but you can have a night session on your board. It is located in Jacksonville, Florida, and the cost is $130 a night. Number 2 is Hacienda Waveland. Hacienda Waveland is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. You can relax with family and friends at this bohemian escape. On over an acre of land, Hacienda has it all. Bike ride to the beach, 6-minute drive to Bay St. Louis. With fast Wi-Fi, badminton court, putt-putt, playground, trampoline, fire pit, skate park, yoga area, barbecue, bar and movie room, Waveland Beach is clean, secluded, and peaceful. Kayaks, fishing poles, beach gear, and bikes are all available. The mini ramp features quarter pipes on both sides. One side has a gap to ledge. It has a bump to rail, a bump to ledge, and a super fun looking spine ramp. The owner also made sure this mini ramp has lights so you can skate at night. It is located in Waveland, Mississippi, and it costs $219 a night. Number 3, Grundberg Haus Inn. Grundberg Haus is truly unique. This Austrian-style build blends old rustic with modern rock and roll Americana perfectly. From the warm, welcoming vibe of the innkeepers and guests to the feel-at-home ambiance, booking a stay will make you feel like the luckiest travelers ever. They also have a skateboard, a snowboard, and rock and roll museum. While I haven't seen any measurements of their mini ramp, it looks like it is about 4 to 5 feet tall and 28 feet wide. Fun, loving, human, and dog travelers need only to apply. It is located in Waterbury, Vermont. Pricing depends on when you book, but it starts at around $200 a night. Number 4, the Pharmacy Boardshop Cabin. It is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath cabin. It was built in the 50s and was fully remodeled in 2017. It features a huge sliding glass door leading to a spacious deck with expansive glass windows that display a beautiful mountain view. The cabin is walking distance from the grocery store, restaurants, shopping, gas stations, nightlife, bakery, and coffee shops. Mount High Resort is located only 2 miles away. Pharmacy's retail store downstairs offers snowboard rentals as well as clothing and accessory sales for all your boarding needs. The mini ramp looks like it is about 16 feet wide, 3 feet tall with a 4-foot extension that is 4 feet wide. It is located in Brightwood, California, and it is priced at $300 a night. And number 5, the Long Beach House. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath house. This private 1-bedroom is tucked away in the North Rose Park neighborhood of Long Beach. It's blocks away from Retro Row and the ocean, and it's only a mile from Belmont Shore. 7th Street is also the main street to take you to all major freeways in the area. It's close to many shops, food, and coffee shops. The house features an arcade, a private patio, and an incredible mini ramp. The owner of this Airbnb is Corey Keene, owner of Keene Ramps. Not only are you supporting skateboarders when you stay here, but you know that backyard mini ramp is perfect. Corey actually told me he is working on a new Airbnb, so I'll drop that link in the description too. It doesn't have a mini ramp yet, but he told me to tell you that it will have one soon. So make sure to subscribe to Keene Ramps and see all the other really rad stuff that they are building. If you do end up purchasing something from them, tell them that I sent you their way. Well, hey, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget, the links to all of those Airbnbs are going to be down below in the description. And if you like this video, comment down below and let me know that you did enjoy it. If you know of another Airbnb that has a mini ramp, comment it down below. And who are you going to bring with you to these mini ramps? Share this video with them. Comment which one of these Airbnbs you're going to go to. Make sure to like this video. It really does make a difference. And if you do like this content, please subscribe for more content just like this. I'll catch you guys in the next video. As always, thanks for hanging. Hey, and for real, we are like really close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. So if you've not subscribed, make sure to do so. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we are going to give away a deck. We have them in a bunch of different sizes. So if you do win, we're gonna let you pick your size that you want as well. We've got 7.75 all the way up to like an 8.5. So make sure to subscribe. Hopefully we'll hit it before Monday. Let's get it.